And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in our renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next.
This is where we're heading today. It was an incredibly steep but a very beautiful drive. It's insanely lush here, like look at how dense these trees and bushes are. Should be a good walk. I think it's, what is it, like 6 Ks? Yeah, pretty decent. Should be good. So this is the start of the walk. I just want to show how like insanely dense it is. How insanely dense is that? It's like, it gets like what? 50% darker? So dense. Nah, definitely don't need my sunnies on. Look at this structurally sound beast. No cyclones knocking this bastard over.
And density is up there.
Ooh. Crazy. So strong looking. Cyclone proof. Oh, that's squishy. Oh, I got a leech on me. Look at that little leech. Yeah, no thank you. They're tiny, I didn't realize how tiny they were. What? Points, use your hands. I don't know. Oh, right. Alright. There you go. Do you have any leeches on you? Give me a spin. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. No leeches. That was a tiny little leech. I didn't expect it to be that small. Yeah, little waterfally area. Keen to get the. Been holding this stick in front of me like this because there's a whole bunch of spider webs and I don't like them in the face. There's like a multiple waterfall thing down there. And we can't get to it. I'm hoping this waterfall soon here, up along here somewhere soon. I'm keen to see a bit of a waterfall. Beautiful trail, but I feel like I'm missing out a little bit. Yeah, like little trails just down to see what they're like. But it'd be so dodgy going down there, it's pretty steep. It's very steep. Small waterfalls. Look at that one. Massive pool, beautiful waterfall, trees to swing off. I'm liking Cairns area. I'm liking it a lot. Managed to climb down. Look how thick and foresty that is. Looks a little sketchy. That is one hell of a waterfall. Although it is insanely beautiful, unfortunately you can't rest because there's a shitload of blowflies. So there's all over the joint. Like if I stand still for a bit, 1, 2, 3. As long as you move, it's not so bad. But yeah, when you stay still, they swarming, unfortunately. Would be nice to sit down and have lunch somewhere. We're going to have to walk and eat. Didn't notice it because we were moving before, I guess. But yeah, if you stay still, a lot of blowflies. Isn't it big? I wanted to go to this waterfall down here as well. Show you it. That's the big one. And these are the other ones. This is Silver Falls. Zoom out a little bit. There are stairs on the other side. Cool as this. It's a legit swing. Whee! Oh, that's cool. Actually,
Look at this.
hold your weight.
Hey, can you show this?
What?
This
Oh
is
wow,
humidity.
that's a lot of sweat. This is a good swing. Like you can fully. Whee! Whee! If only this tree wasn't here, you could get some serious swing on.
Yeah, they say it's like 20 degrees today.
20 degrees?
It feels like.
Wow. 30 degrees is going to be horrible. Check out this tree's roots. The whole entire wall is made up of them. Oh, the whole tree's just roots. Look how ridiculously close these people parked. Ridiculous. What the other one? That's.
You can't.
How the hell would they get out of that?
Apart from the door there.
Oh man, they could have been just parked somewhere else, like right there, like literally right there. God damn it, ridiculous. I hope they didn't dent anything. Would be hard to tell with my car the way it is. Just got to the end of another walk. This one's called Wallicher Waterfall. You can see some of the massive logs that's carried off the edge. It's rainy season, I'm guessing. This would get pretty massive. Look at this weird little chicken thing. Whoop. Oh, I can do that with walking. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Such a funny looking neck and head. Yeah, we're getting close to the next waterfall. That's almost a little too tempting to say no to. That's pretty cool. Oh, this kind of place has a lot of blowflies. Blowflies.
Quick photo and get out of here.
I like it. All overgrowny and such. That's some big ass rocks. They were hiding a second waterfall from everyone. Just closed it down. Like it never existed anymore. This one's even cooler. They keep exploring down and see where it goes. Oh. These cool lads. That's awesome, it just like goes up into nothing. I can see why they closed it off. It's just too awesome for ordinary people. Look at that, that's one waterfall. There's another waterfall. Oh. And then an incredible view. Whenever places are closed, there may be a reason, but it's generally always worth it. Like, it's definitely more challenging than the other ones. It's just way more challenging and it's dangerous. That's probably why. Like, there's a bit of climbing and such, but well worth it. Screw the no entry signs. And like, this is one of the first places we've been that's been this beautiful and all to ourselves. Just look at those stairs. So abandoned-y and grown over. So we just paid to get to this place, the Mamu Tropical Skywalk. And this is the first little out bit. I'll make sure I don't drop the tickets down there. Yeah, it's pretty high. Tell you that much. That's very pretty. It's not going to snap. Oh wow, it's very bouncy. Woo! Now I can see why it's so high though. Like, it's hard to get above all these trees. They're massive.
Yeah, does it mean they're gonna have to keep making it bigger?
I don't know. It's pretty beautiful. I literally saw these and I was like, oh, it looks like they'll be holding walnuts or something. And apparently they do hold walnuts. And I was like, I wonder if I could eat it. The poison laurel, also known as a poison walnut. So I'm glad I didn't. Highly toxic alkaloids.
This sap is so toxic that it can cause severe skin reactions.
No, I picked up a few.
Days.
Oh, Jesus. Alright.
Timber cutters and cyclone cleanup workers learn to keep away from this species.
I won't have any of those then. I'll stop picking them up, trying to find ones that haven't been eaten. Looks like the animals must eat them though.
Do you want to know who eats them?
What?
It says here poison laurel fruit are eaten by cassowaries, musky rat kangaroos, and native rats.
Did you get a rat in a mouse? An ant in your hand. Well, I'm not going to eat them, that's for sure. Look at this insect. Funky looking. Oh no, I think it's stuff dropping from the trees, from the birds. Yeah, birds are knocking stuff down. It's actually a really long walkway. 2 Ks? Yeah, right. It's long though, it's nice. Parasite. The view from the bottom. Mind you, there's not a lot of people here, which has been really nice.
What day? It's a Friday as well.
Yeah, it's a Friday.
And it's still school holidays, technically.
Yeah, view from the bottom. Let's see what it's like from the top. The, oh dear Lord. The view from the top. That is very beautiful. Oh, does it? Oh wow, it does too. Let's have a bit of a zoom and have a look around. No, you definitely feel it. Where am I going with this? No blowflies, which is kind of nice. Stella. It's amazing, actually can't see straight down. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, that is pretty far down.
Like, we climbed that tree, remember? And there were so many people at the top.
Which tree?
I don't know, in WA.
Yeah, your dress is like only just long enough.
But in Pemberton.
Oh yeah.
And there was like, what, the whole family at the top? And
Yeah, it was a lot.
That's hard.
That was challenging. This is definitely easy. But this one's paid. Maybe that's why. Yeah. It's a very nice drive down here, by the way. This is like the whole way was just this beautiful windy road. It's absolutely terrible with the caravan, but really beautiful with the car. Like rivers and the whole thing. It's like, is this the main highway?
Oh, no.
That's not the main highway? Okay, but yeah, it's yeah, terrible with the caravan, as you can probably see with that. But yeah, with the car, it's been really nice. On our way to a less known about waterfall. It's just a single lane road. And yeah, it's still really nice, like, views, a bit more like farmy land, if you can tell. Very beautiful. There's a ropes course on the way. Can they do it? You got it? And then go around it. And there's this thing. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. Whoa! You just pulled me off. What the hell, man? Let's see how you like it. You want to wait for me to get across before you yank me off? Can you hold on to that instead of the rope? God. Let go of the rope. There we go. Now I got a chance at least. Oh, the cheek of it all. Oh, okay. Alright, you can follow me now. Tell you what, I'll even swing this to you to make it easier. Oh no. Not gonna back up? Yeah, you got it. Alright, ready, set, whoop. Come on, if I can do it with one hand, you can do it too. Whoa. Yeah, you got it.
Why are its courses so hard? Why is this not a life of this?
Whoop. 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 Whoa. Let's see this waterfall. Oh, my leg's already so sore. It's gotten a lot more waterfally. Ooh, there it is. That's very pretty. Just exploring around the town and the good old EUC, and it looks like someone's made a couple of jumps or something. It looks like it's been forgotten about. But this one and this one have been got nice launches. So I'm gonna give it a bit of a jump, see how it goes. So you know what? I'll set the phone down because it's a lot nicer to jump and be able to use my arms. There's also some balance stuff, and this is like a real no consequence balance stuff. I think even if I fall, it wouldn't be too bad. Whoop. Whoop. Whoa. Well, that's got a bit more consequence to it, but it's also got a nice ramp going up. Oh, this one's not too bad. That's a bit too easy. Maybe I should hit that one. Also, when I randomly fell off the other day, like scraped me. Not too bad, but oh man, it just rubs on my leg every time. So uncomfortable. Unicycle's like right in that one spot. Let's see how we go. Where does this go? It's so nice to not be hiking and have the unicycle. Just takes all the steep hills away, melts them into nothing.
So it's been over 3 months since we've seen rain, and it's now raining. Crazy is that? It's raining. It's really hard to see.
I want to go out.
Yeah, it's like not really on any of the windows. There's a little bit of drips on that, but look at the car. Car's wet.
Bring an umbrella.
Crazy stuff. What do you think, eh, about the rain? You been looking forward to it?
Nope.
What?
I'm dreading it.
But like, rain.
I think we need to bring an umbrella.
Yeah, we'll bring an umbrella. And maybe a jacket? I don't know. I can't even remember what to do when it rains. Check out these falls after a little bit of rain.
Oh, she's excited, isn't she? Pepina Falls, if that's how you pronounce it.